Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find old servers and Fisch Roblox. First, know the two server types: public servers, which Roblox creates and rotates automatically. Once they're empty or inactive, they shut down and can't be rejoined, and private VIP servers, which players create and keep active until their rental expires. Some private servers are shared publicly, and if they've been running for a while, they might be your ticket to an older session. To locate them, sites like RBX servers track Fish servers by upload date and activity, letting you spot ones from months ago, though not all will be accessible. Websites like Backdash Gaming, Pro-Am Guides, and RunePy often post working private servers links, including popular ones like Hubert 3 or William Tamil. To join on PC or mobile, simply click a posted link, let Roblox launch, and confirm to enter. On consoles, you'll need a friend on PC or mobile to join first, then send you a friend request or party invite so you can hop in too. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.